guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video guys, we are going to clean our small garden. So guys, they are cleaning.
This plant.
Yes.
I like it so much. The smell,
So we have this lavender here guys.
the odor.
And
No odor, no.
smell.
The smell is really beautiful.
Yes,
They
the
use this
smell is
plant
really
for
so
perfumes.
nice. Yeah,
They call lavanda, no?
lavender. Lavender.
Lavender.
Yes. So they are cleaning guys the garden. So here is the before shot. Because it's so wild. But Hailey's using a normal scissor.
I got.
And I have these lilies here. These ones are white guys. The flower is white.
Qué guapa la cota aquí,
Yes.
Mira campeona, Mírala.
We're going to clean here as well. And hi, Cookie. Lakota. Lakota.
Look, mommy.
Careful, Hailey. And all of us, we are going to clean. Yes. Very good, Hailey. No, Lakota. And Lakota wants to try also. You have not gloves, darling. No. Que paras mal. No. Welcome back to my channel guys. If you are new, welcome. I'm so grateful guys, you're all here watching this video. Yes, really so thankful and grateful for you guys. I upload cleaning, cooking, organization, mommy vlogs, and lifestyle guys. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any fun video from us guys.
This moment, can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive.
So we clean every spring guys. In autumn we always clean this part of our small garden. And yeah, after cleaning guys, we normally plant vegetables and fruits. Vegetables like red bell peppers, eggplants, and tomatoes. And fruit, we plant strawberries. That's why Hailey keep asking to plant strawberries. Yes. So all of us guys are working, helping one another. We are like a team, as my husband and me always say that we are a team. So we have to work as a team. Yes, even the kids too. So we are planning to plant, yes guys, the vegetables that I mentioned before. But the thing is, we cannot go out to buy. I mean, my husband can go out and buy grocery, something like that, but we cannot buy seedlings because the shop where we can go and buy seedlings are closed. That's why we can't plant early this time.
I take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear
Look, guys,
I'll
so
try
many
my
snails.
best to always be there. And I
So
want
many
you to
snails.
know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go. I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless 'cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, 'cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best.
Yes.
Oi, jumping.
Jump, jump, jump.
Jumping on the lips.
Uy.
Sorry, Papa.
Lakota saw the snails. That's why she screamed.
Papa,
Look at this snail. OMG.
Yarang ka.
Do you like to touch Lakota?
No.
No? So we are thinking what we are going to plant. Maybe some vegetables.
Strawberries?
Maybe tomatoes and eggplants.
Strawberries?
Yes, Bida. Yes? It's strawberries. You want? We plant strawberries. Yes? Yes.
Yarang karol.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Can you hear the bird sound, guys?
Yes.
To always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go. I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go.
time to collect the weeds on the ground, guys, and throw them outside. But my husband thought that we lost the key in our backyard, the gate, guys, or the door of our backyard. So he started to throw the as you can see, guys, he started to throw the weeds outside, and then he's going to collect and throw away to the proper place, guys. But then I went and I found the key, guys. Yes, so as you can see that I opened the door. Yeah, that was a funny situation.
If you go, I just don't know what to.
And now hubby is sweeping, guys, the floor and taking out all the rest of the weeds. So hubby is now trimming the roses, guys. And this is fig, guys. Fig, we have this fig. Look at these fruits. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, because we cannot go out and buy. I wanted to plant vegetables, guys, but how?
How long till it days? Let's say it's a bed we all know is on fire. Pharaohs spin our heads, but no one calls out liar. How long can we all go on before we change our way?
Hubby is sweeping the floor again.
Till the break of dawn. How long till it days?
So hubby is taking out the weeds that had grown from the ground, guys. And now hubby is pruning the olive tree. So here is the before, guys. This is the look of the side of our small garden. Look at that. It is so wild.
How long till it days? How long till the break of dawn? How long till it days?
And now here's the after, guys. No more tall weeds. You can now see clearly, and we are so grateful, guys, that finally we could manage to clean our small garden. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe, and please like this video if you enjoyed, and hope to see you again on the next one. Bye.